Hello guys, welcome to another Forex strategy video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we are going to place a very good buying trade in the Australian dollar versus US dollar. You will enjoy watching this. Definitely watch the video till the end. I am applying all the trades here. I have pre-calculated these lot sizes in the position size calculator. I have given the link of which in the description box. See you guys after some time. Guys, I have $1,067 in this account, which I will grow with proper technical analysis and risk management. Always before applying a trade, you should know which trend the market is following and from which levels it is reversing again and again. Currently, the market is moving upwards, making higher highs and higher lows, which has created a buying opportunity here. Here we will first create an uptrend channel so that you can clearly see the market trend. The market is repeatedly taking support on this trend line and moving upwards, which is why this trend line is respected. The market is also creating higher low points near this trend line, which is giving us signals of an uptrend. We will draw another trend line and connect it at higher high points, which will also give us perfect resistance points. The market has broken the downward trend line, but the candle closed within the trend channel, which allows us to consider this trend line valid. The market is currently very close to the trend line, giving us the opportunity to enter at the right place. We will now draw strong reversal level. This can give us more buying signals. The market has created multiple support and resistance points at this level, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed at the same level. These are all important points. Here the market first took resistance and later broke this level to create support points, due to which a resistance becomes support pattern is created here. This pattern is a strong pattern of uptrend. This gives us a signal that the market has a high chance of going up, due to which we can see a good move upwards. Our analysis work is complete here. Now we have to place stop loss and target point so that we can exit the market at the right place. My stop loss in this trade will be outside the trend channel and below the strong reversal level, which is 5 pip down. This is a very good place for our stop loss, as the market needs to break the trend channel to hit the stop loss, and the profit target will be near the new higher high, which is 10 pip above. There is also a strong resistance level here. I will tell you this after further analysis. Here I am following a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Guys, we are currently running in profit. Let's see what results the market gives us. Our trade has been placed in the right direction. This increases our chances of making a profit. Let us now place a stop loss and profit target. Guys, you will see clearly the stop loss and profit target. Every step you take in trading should be taken with discipline. Discipline is the only way to become a profitable trader. Let me tell you how I follow discipline. I never close the trade midway. I always know how much I will lose in a trade. I do not do revenge trading at all, which I always avoid big losses. This is how you should follow your rules. Now we will meet guys after some time. Till then, you enjoy the video.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. In the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I don't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more spin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off.
Excellent move, guys. The market gave us a very good move, which we were expecting. This was our high probability setup. As soon as we applied the trade, the market kept going up and hit our profit target. My profit target was at this level, which the market is hitting and forming a red candle, because there is a strong resistance level here which the market has been trying to cross for a long time. Let me draw a level and show you. The market has created multiple resistance points at this level, and the market is repeatedly reversing downwards from this level. With this we can predict what the next move of the market might be. Now two conditions are being created here. In the first condition, the market will break this level and move up, and in the second condition, it will reverse from here onwards. Unless the market reacts here, we also do not have to take any action. Always let the market take action first. This will help you avoid wrong trades. Now we close the trade. Guys, currently our profit is around $1,200. I had $1,067 in my account, which has now grown to $2,380. Here we have doubled the account. You can do the same, but you will have to understand the rules of trading. If you follow this, you can definitely become a profitable trader. If you learn something from this video, Please share it with your friends so that it can help them too. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.